Hello everyone, thank you so much for clicking. In case it is your very first time here, welcome. I'm Ayuko Dee from Kenya, and for the returning subscribers, thank you for always keeping in touch. So on today's video, let's spend the day together. So I'm going to cook for you one of the best Kenyan village food, and that is omena. Omena is mostly found in Nyanza or Kisumu city, if I may say so, and it is really loved by people from that side. And because of that reason, many Kenyans had to adapt to this thing of eating omena. And right now, as you can see, I'm preparing the ingredients for cooking omena. With me, I have the onions, I have the tomatoes, and the omenas itself. Omena is much nutritious and affordable source of food in Kenya and other parts of Africa. Omena goes by different names in different countries. For example, in Tanzania, omena is referred to as dagaa. In Uganda, it's mukene. In Uganda, it's referred to as mukene, and in Zimbabwe, it is called kapenta. Omena has many health benefits. It is high in protein. It could lower the risk of strokes and heart attacks. It regulates blood sugar levels. It's low in carbohydrates, and it aids in bones. And on top of that, it boosts your immune system. It helps to prevent and treat depression, and it gives you energy. Anyway, my people, you can tell me some of the benefits that you know that I've not mentioned. Anyway, omena is often identified with its silvery nature. It usually has a bitter taste, especially when you don't cook them properly. But thank God, Dee is going to show you all the procedure. In that case, let me give you the steps of preparing omena. Make sure you wash or soak your omena in hot water for at least 6 to 7 minutes to remove any dirt residue. When the water is too dirty, repeat the process until the water is almost clear. But make sure you are using hot water. That is the most important part. Then squeeze off any excess water before transferring it to a clean container. The warm water removes the dirt and smell. You all understand how it usually smells, the omena. So the hot water or the warm water, it helps in removing that smell. So this is water. I am going to boil it so that I can dip the omena. Let me know, have you ever tasted omena in your places? And how was it? Was it really sweet, or your experience was bad? In some cases, though I would not recommend, you can boil it for 4 minutes to eliminate the bitter taste. Then you can add in a freshly squeezed lemon. But personally, I don't like that to do that. I don't like to do that. But you can do it if you want. And to save you the hassle, you can buy a package omena in the supermarket or a nearby soko and prepare it. Yeah. hot water for ugali. Soon you are going to see me cooking it. Yeah, this is how African girls normally turn their ugali in sufuria. So if you don't know how to cook ugali, this is the best place now to steal the skills of cooking best ugali, an African food, especially here in Kenya. Like, it is staple food. Anyone can afford ugali. Wow, did you see that? The ugali is ready. It's ready and it is really hard. Here we don't eat light ugali, we eat hard ugali, that at least when you eat it will take you for some time. Like, you can stay for long hours just after eating the hard ugali. And we are at the last step. Let's cook our omena. So right now I'm adding cooking oil on a sufuria. Next I'm going to put the onions and turn it till it turns golden brown. Then I will go ahead and pour omena on it. And you have to ensure that your omena turns brown. It should be brown and not silver. That's the great sign of showing you that omena is ready to be eaten. Guys, I hope you're seeing this tactic which I'm doing. Like, I'm not using the spoon consistently. I mean, this one is to help the omena not to break. You get? It is really disgusting when you eat a broken omena. So for us to maintain the shape of omena, I'm not going to use the spoon all the time. Wow, and our omena is ready. And it is crispy, you can use it as a snack. I'm telling you, it's really, really, really delicious. Oh my goodness, let me taste for you. The omena, the fried one, the one with nyanya. Yeah, so let me know what you think about today's video. Tell me where you are watching from. Most importantly, just share your love by giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss anything from Ayuko Dee, So also, let's catch up on Instagram. Let me know some of your requests. I'll attach my Instagram link on the description box, So bye bye till we meet in the next video.